In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram password. It is a very simple process. For this, first of all, you have to open your Instagram application. So here you go. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on this profile icon. Wait a while. Now tap on the three horizontal line on the upper right corner. Tap on this three horizontal line and now tap on settings. And from here you have to tap on security. Tap on security and now tap on password. And here you will see three boxes. Enter your current password in the first box. Now enter your new password in the second box. So I'm gonna type a new password and then type your new password again in the third box. And now simply click the right sign on the upper right corner. Tap on this right sign. Wait a while. And and we are done. The Instagram password has been changed. So following this simple process, you can easily change your Instagram password. I hope you understand the full video. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.